Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We get ready for another live show here on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, multiple websites around the world. A lot going on today. A lot of a sell-off, a big sell-off, 4.4%. I've not sold anything. I've held all my positions. It's all being caused by Elon Musk again and Twitter and all the nonsense with him buying up GM Motors and God knows what else. Look at my position right now, down 4.4%. I've lost $2,000. I'm not concerned. I'm not worried at all. I'm holding my position. And there we go. That's my position right now. Holding it. Let's get straight into the live position, the live shares, and let's see, we're down 4.5% right now. You were right, Tilray hit over $5, shows the potential in the stock. Yes, indeed, absolutely right. I am posting for my stocks trades before I make them. If you want to know what they are, I have a very exclusive special channel open up here on Discord. It's right up here at the top left hand corner. It's a couple of bucks a month, and I post what I'm buying before I buy it, before I go live on the show. If you look at the top left of the corner, if you want to get this here, this is what I'm doing off air before I go live. As I'm doing it live, I literally tell you what I'm about to buy as I buy it. There is my server subscription. It's $2 a month. If you want to get that, it's over there on Discord. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's get straight back into our trades and see where we are right now. Tilray, yes, I've just put another couple of videos gone out. I didn't sell it at 5 though. I kept it. I could have done, but it's showing strength in the stock now. It might go down a bit further than this, but I'm up 33%. I've got no intention of selling my shares at $3.45 at the moment. I'm looking for a much, much bigger gain here on Tilray brand. So there we go. What's happening now, what we've got is a general market sell-off. Look, if you look at the overall portfolio, it's not being sold off just because of individual stocks. It's a lot of drama with everybody selling everything. It's one of those days where everyone sells everything. And when you get days like that, I just see it as an opportunity for me to find bargains and decent things to buy. I don't really worry about that at all. Not concerned about that whatsoever. All right. Constant Courage got to YouTube, guys, for better experience. My Luca badge owner. Hey, what's the little one? What's the little one stand for? Constant Courage. Is that because you've been a subscriber of mine for a month now? What does that mean? What do you think about DG Dollar General? Yeah, I made some money on Dollar General. I bought it when it dropped off after its earnings. I made a 5 or 6% profit. I sold it. I just don't want to own Dollar General. It's not for me. It doesn't belong in my portfolio. I've got enough of that kind of thing. I prefer Walmart. So I've sold it, made a profit, and I'm done with that. For now, at least, anyway. I might come back to it later anyway. Let's have a little right. CMV Studio, how are you? I'm here. Tom's here. Dexter Sickles is here. Good morning over there. Stephen Lewandowski, yes, on YouTube. Max H. Brazil 4 and 4-0. Fantastic. England will meet Brazil in the final. There's my prediction as well. It may rise into the close. It'll be up tomorrow. I don't mind. I'm just holding it. I'm really not concerned at all. It's a day today where everyone's dumping their stocks again. Not me, though. I do the opposite of everyone. Martin, I learned a lot today from the IRS wash sale rule. Yes, I heard that. Post it on Discord and I'll take a read of it later when I get time. If I get time. I can't always promise I will, but I'll do my best to do so. Right. We're now getting a little bounce into the close. Virgin Galactic also went up. That sold back off again. Virgin Orbit, waiting for the flights. New rule, Mike. It sucks. What's new rule? It sucks. What sucks? Hi everyone. Brazil will beat England in the final. I used my crystal ball. Hey, there we go. It uses crystal ball. I like it. All right. Tesla is going down. We've got some silly rumors here. It is really silly how people are investing today. The drama. Elon Musk is buying GM and calling it flipping Elon Motors, absolutely ridiculous. So much FUD. We've even got YouTubers like Meet Kevin coming on today saying Rivian is going bankrupt and Tesla is losing it. It's going to go down to like zero. It's like anyone will do anything to sell views. Not on this channel. This channel just tells you the truth as it is. That's why I'm always live, and that's what's happening today. A lot of big influencers are making up loads of stories. It's great for them. They make loads of money, but it's silly because they've got no real friends, no real commitment. Their memberships are 8-9%. Even Mr. Beast, ours is 95%. There you go. We're not going to go into that. We're not even going to bother with that silliness that's going on YouTube today and Twitter and Reddit. It's why I have an account now on Reddit. If you want to join my Reddit army and become one of my moderators on Reddit, here is Reddit. We're already getting attacked there today, so I need an army of Redditors, my moderators. If you want to be part of that, there is my Reddit. If you are a YouTube member, a YouTube moderator, I will automatically make you a moderator on Reddit. Okay. I want you to go to work for me over there as well. So, yeah, all sorts of drama going on over there. Okay? I'm watching it as we speak. People sharing stuff and, yeah, I've got to be very careful. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's read some of these comments. Can't dump everything in December anymore. Can't dump everything in December anymore. Why, what do you mean? Buy, says Arnold the Palmer. Tesla going down to 150 thanks to Twitter and Elon wasting money because he can. If it goes to 150, I'll just buy more. I've got buys at 160 ready to go. I ain't bothered. I'm not selling it, though. The company make money, and it's great. Good evening, says Baron Hanley. Good evening. Max H, good evening to you. Hello, Baron. There you go. Good evening, all. Crag, good morning. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. Apple is down today, 1.3. I'm still down 4%. Robinhood, look, it's just a general day today. General day, even the solid stocks like Coca-Cola is down 1.62. Johnson Johnson, no one's even buying that. Everyone's just selling everything today. That's fine. They're going to sell it to try and buy it back later. That's fine. Doesn't concern me at all. Meta, I'm up 5% now on Meta, making good money on Meta, even though that's down 1.36. Just got to step back, be calm, let everyone play their silly games. SoFi down 4%, not concerned. IonQ. If we're going to be moderators, are we going to unionize? Yeah, you have to get your own little union. You have to get your own little union on Reddit and all gang up on me and say, right, we want a pay rise. All right, so there you go. Walmart down 1.5 today. Target is down 5%. I'm still up 3.5. I'm holding it, not going anywhere. I'll buy more if it goes lower. Anything close to all-time lows? No, nowhere near. So my portfolio is maybe bottomed, like I've been saying. I'm still up 32% on Tilray. I can afford days now that go down 5-6%. I'm not bothered. I'm not going to play the games that everyone's trying to play today. Pay rise. Didn't know we got paid. Yeah, no one does. Yeah, you're going to get 100% pay rise. 100% times zero. Which is still zero. So, hey, think on. All right. I just put out a couple of other videos you might want to check out later on this afternoon if you've just tuned in. Let me have a look. Wow, how many got in the show right now? How many? Wow, we've got 24 have come through the show in the first 9 minutes. That's good. That's pretty good. I like that. That's pretty good. Right, Tilray. Yeah, we've got a couple of videos just come out. I'm just trying to see what everyone's searching for. What's trending? People are focusing a bit on SPCE stock today. Bit of FUD going on there as well. Bit of nonsense. Everyone's saying it's going to be $100 today. I can't believe on Reddit the tweets that go around is insane. Tesla puts doing nicely now. 22. How are you today? Every time you play me on ad. Every time you play me an ad, I leave. Oh, there you go. Well, unfortunately, it's every 20 minutes it plays an ad on Twitch. I can't do it for free. With no point with there. So it's like are you going to turn the television off every time an ad comes on? Then you wouldn't watch anything, would you, Arnold? All right, Tesla gamblers, Arnold the Palmer, you're not a member of our channel, so there you go. What can I say? Tesla gamblers worry about the Twitter situation. Tesla investors say, wow, this is a bargain of the century. Exactly. That's what I'm doing. I'm not interested in Twitters and Redditors, but it's why we've started our own army on Reddit. So we're going to combat all the nonsense. So there, if any of you want to join me on Reddit, it's in the chat right now, and I want to get some moderators to join me as well. Okay. Does Robinhood have a wash sale button to turn on or off so you can see the real trade or a wash? No, I've not seen that. I don't even know what that is, Mike. I don't even know what that is. A wash is when you just buy it at the one price and sell it at the same. Jose Rios just subscribed. Thank you so much indeed. Everyone was talking about 2023 already. Now they're fearing the December. It's crazy, isn't it? Jose Rios, Hi, can you review Amerco stock? I can review it if you're a member of our channel. I'll make a video on it, promote it and everything. U-Haul stock, yes. But the first thing you got to do, Jose, is come in and say hello to everybody. Get to meet the family, say hello. We'll all say hello back. And if you become a member of my channel, which you can, I will then review a stock for you gladly. But you got to say hello first. We're a very nice bunch of people, the most friendliest channel on YouTube, and officially the highest engagement of all channels on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate to live viewers to members than any other channel. 95% of our live viewers are members, more than anyone else, because we always tell the truth. This is my real portfolio. This is what's going on today. There's no pumping and dumping, no selling, no promotion, just straightforward what it is. What's a Santa rally? A Santa rally is exactly as you might think it is. At Christmas, Santa Claus comes to town and we have a rally, and everyone buys the stock up. It's tax season, and we're expecting a bounce, as we've had a 12-month bear market now. So anyway, I will gladly promote your stocks. I bought 10 Amerco calls. Hello everyone. There we go. Jose Rios has just said hello. Can everyone say hello to Jose? Jose, where are you from? My name's Martyn Lucas. I'm from Dallas, Texas. Here is my studio. Let me give you a wave. Hello, how you doing? And I come live from Dallas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England. And everyone put your city and country in, and welcome our guest in, Jose. He wants me to review a stock, and I will do that if you become a member. It's a membership perk that I do for my members. Otherwise, it would create chaos. All right, but maybe people are finally waking up to what the Grim Reaper is really doing. I'm not concerned. Are you really concerned, Churchy? Ecolab, you have that for free. You have that for free, Ecolab. What does that mean, Frank B? What does that mean? That doesn't mean anything. What does that mean? Craig, Santa drives a really fast car. Hello from Los Angeles, California. From Los Angeles, California. Welcome to you. No Santa rally this year. I think there will be. Church is negative today. He's having a hard time, Churchy. He's been beaten down, I think. But I think we're going to get it. Martin, what do you think of SNDL? SNDL's all right. I expect it to be bought up by Tilray. I'd rather own Tilray. Simple as that. Welcome, Jose, and Palm Bay, Florida. Welcome. Hi, Jose. You're getting some lovely welcomes in now. Hi from Cornwall, from Liverpool. Lovely to have you here. We've got a Mancunian in here, Frank B. He's called Paul B. He's one of our members. And if you're a member, you can call in. This is Paul B. You'll recognise the accent. Here it comes.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. That's Paul B. You can call in live to the show if you want to be on the show. CNV Studio, Tom says, I love a bit of chaos. So do I. Oh, I forgot we could review a stock. Please, could you take a look at Accenture? Yes, I can. It's one of your benefits as a member. Yes, I can. So Accenture, what is the ticker? I'll have a quick look for you. Let me just have a little quick look. We're getting a bit of a bounce back into the close. Did everybody sell out? I didn't sell anything at all. ACN, okay, one of our members wants me to look at Accenture, so let me do that right now. And this is Running Diary wants a review on Accenture. You have the share tip for free. You have you have the share tip for free. It's not a tip, is it? Eco Labs, not a tip. You're just saying a stock. Don't give any information whatsoever. Frank B Studios. What does that mean? Right, Accenture. First of all, we look at it, and the first thing I want to do is pan out. This is for who's this for? This is for Running Diary. Okay, over the last 5 years, it's had a nice steady growth, and then of course in 2021, we had dropped after what? Now I go back and look at 2020. There it is. There's COVID. All right, it rebounded back from COVID and it rose to 2021. And it's been going down ever since through 2022. It's going down about the same ratio as the S&P 500, so it shows stability. It's declining by the same amount, and it's bounced back more than others in the last month or so. So that's quite good. If I now zoom into the last month, I bet it's gone up. There we go, 11%. So that's quite strong. Nothing amazing, but reasonable. Steady growth over the last 3 months. So I like the chart. The chart is looking like the S&P 500. Good. It was around in 1989 from Dublin, Ireland. Love that. It's been going around for 23 years. That's good. Market cap 194 billion. It's a decent sized company. Its volume is 1.45. Very low volume on this one, so don't expect high volatility, which is exactly what it demonstrates there. What does it do? It engages in the provision and management of consulting technology and outsourcing services. It operates through the following geographical segments: North America, European, and growth markets. That doesn't tell me a great deal what it does. Management consulting. Okay. Is it proprietary? Does it do anything unusual that anybody else doesn't do? 52-week low, 242. 52-week high, 417. Let's have a look at the analysts like it, 65%. No one's saying sell. Now, let's look at its earnings. Does it beat on earnings? Yes, 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 yes. Pretty flat, steady growth. Next will be December the 16th. Looking at that with the way it's grown, on initial glance of the stock, I would expect their earnings to be up from what that's looking like. I would be looking at that to perhaps buy perhaps today, looking at the week, and selling next week, going into the earnings, as I anticipate from just a basic first glance at that the earnings is going to be okay, December 16th. So I'll be looking to, if I was going to buy today, sell in the next 10 days. That would be my initial reaction. The margin requirement is 25%, which regards it as a relatively secure stock. I'd like to look at a bit of the news, but I would say that's quite good. On the initial look at that, I would buy it today and sell it within a week. That would be my thoughts on that. For me, I don't need to own anything like this right now. So I hope that's a fair assessment of that on the basis of what I had in front of me at this precise moment. All right? Okay. There you go. Now, if you want to know the stocks I'm buying before I buy them, what my sales are before I sell them, I do have an exclusive channel. It's $2 a month for my Discord channel. Discord is free, but you can access this subscription platform up here, and I will post what I am actually trading before I actually do it, so you'll know before I actually do it in the morning and in the evening when I do my research for the following day. There it is, right at the top left of the channel. All right. Okay. If you want access to Discord, it is free. If you want that channel, it's a couple of bucks a month. There is the that's as cheap as I can make it. The minimum price you can charge on Discord is $2.99, so I did that. I want the best value for my members. Anyway, let's go and read a little bit more here. Van Life with Danny. Good day all. Great day to be alive. As always, Van Life. Lovely to have you here. Liverpool, says Church, with a bit of a sick face. What's all that about? Churchy, what's going on there? If inverse Jim Cramer is right, things will pick up from the 15th. I've got no doubt. I'm holding my position, not selling anything. Hi, Church, S22. Ticker is ACN. Yes, we did it for you. That was the right one, wasn't it? Yeah, we did it. We did it. Cool. Thanks, Martin. Good stuff. Checking in from Saskatchewan. I'm never going to get that right. 55 this morning. Colder than the North Pole. Bloody hell. Market profit. Room hopping. Hi, everyone. Very, very good indeed. Market profit. I don't know how you can stay warm. Fireplace is on. Ale and Patricia are here from Italy. Wonderful to everyone. All right. Okay, moving swiftly along then. Let's get back to our main position and shut that down a minute. Let me close that down. Whoops. Let me get onto Discord. Zoom out. Let's refresh the screen, and if we can't do that way. Okay, going back to here. Now then, we've got 1 minute on the clock, please. We've only got 20 likes. There's 30 watching. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to go to a 10-second commercial. Not everyone liked the video, so we're going to punish you all now by playing a commercial. It's 10 seconds. Skip the ad. I'll be right back. There you go. All right, there you go. When Liverpool got capital of culture, they sold my tyres and propped up my car up on books. I like that, Andrew Grady. That's very, very funny. Forgot the walls are free up there. Yes, very cold. It's 80 degrees here, says Stephen Lewandowski. All right, let me go over now to the main screen, and let's have a quick look of who's searching for what, so we know what's trending right now. Let's have a quick look. Let's go over here and let's have a little look. The Dow Jones is down 1.45. S&P 500 down. It's still holding. Oh, no, it's gone below 4,000, so it's broke again now. Down 1.96. It has broke down. The Nasdaq is down 2.27. So my portfolio is behaving about as you'd expect, so that's okay. I've got no fears, no stress, no drama whatsoever today. Okay. Not an issue at all. Now then, I've got an invitation for those of you who want to join me on Reddit. I don't know, Real Ray, why you can't access Reddit. I don't know why. There it is again. Try that. And I'll look out for you. In fact, I did see you message me. I don't know why you can't follow the channel. I want to add you as a moderator. Oh, Real Ray, I did add you as a moderator. I added you as a moderator on Reddit. So hopefully you've received that. Hopefully you've received that. Okay, let's have a quick look and see who's searching for what. Here we go. We've had 43 people come through the show in 20 minutes. That's pretty good. And as you can see, Tilray is ranking up. Everyone's searching for Tilray. It's the most popular videos on my channel right now. Everyone's searching for that. And I rank number 1 now for Tilray stock on YouTube. People are searching for me. I rank number 1 for the search term. So that's very interesting. Okay. Let's go and see what we're doing right now. The S&P 500... is going sideways. Now, it did pick up a little bit. How many have liked so far? Right, we're going to put a minute on the clock. Here we go. 1 minute. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Need 10 more likes in 30 seconds. What's going on? Smash the like button. Let's bring Mr. Mini-Me off the screen and let's come out of here. 21, 22, 23. I'm going to close the timer. I reckon we'll get there in the next 30 seconds, all right? Here we go. Let's ring the horn. There you go. All right, let's go through the stocks. The S&P Virgin Galactic popped up today. It's comfortably above $5 now. Mr. Cossack said, what's up? How are you? Good to see you. Now then, for those of you who've just tuned in today that wasn't here this morning, we are doing double cash prizes now. If you get the newsletter, hopefully you all do. If you don't, ask me and I'll give you the link for it. You get the newsletter on a Sunday and there's a video to watch, as there is every week. Now, we're giving double prizes. In the newsletter, it says as well, if you retweet the post on Twitter, not only do I follow you back, I follow all of my my members here on YouTube, but also if you win on Friday, I will then go and check to see if you've retweeted. If you have, you get double the prize, double cash bonus. There you go. Shall we have a look who's already done it? Let's have a quick look. So here is the tweet. Is the tweet that was in the newsletter. There it is. That's the one. And if we look at the retweets, how many people retweeted? Let me have a look. I click on the post, and there are 5 people that retweeted. There you go. So if Shad wins, or Mark Korn, or Stephen Lewandowski, or Zach, Development Alert, or Mike, they will get double prizes. So there you go. Everyone now can win, and you can win double prizes. Is it too late to retweet? No. The draw is every Friday. We do a cash giveaway every Friday. So if you've read the newsletter and you've watched the video and you left a comment, this can give you a chance to win double prizes. Double cash prize. All right? It's an extra bonus. We'll do it on Friday. We'll draw out one person who watched the video. And if you're not in the competition, you need the newsletter, let me know and I'll give you the link. And you then can double up your winnings if you've retweeted. Anyway, let's see if you do it. Lucid going down. Now I've got some very, 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 very bad YouTubers. Meet Kevin's the worst. Telling everybody that that Lucid's going bankrupt and Rivian is going bankrupt. Absolutely not nonsense. They've got plenty of money in the bank. They may get bankrupt one day. Of course they can. But they're not going bankrupt today like Meet Kevin reckons they are. Okay? Absolutely ridiculous. What's going on right now is everyone's selling off Tesla because of all the rumors of buying GM, which is rubbish. The 20% reduction in production, which Tesla have denied, by the way. It's all been on Twitter. Everyone's trying to bring Elon Musk down. So even though Elon Musk brings it on himself, a business is a business, right? The business is making money. So I'm not concerned about Tesla. And of course, that's why Rivian's going down. That's why Lucid's going down. And of course, people make lovely videos about telling everybody the world's coming to an end because everybody watches it more than they watch me giving the positive truth. They just want the drama and the lies. Well, that's what's going on today. And people are buying into it and they're selling their stocks. And that's great because I can't wait for Tesla to hit 160 and I'll buy some more. So crack on. Buy the rumour, sell the news, Mr. Cossack says. Yep. Buy the rumour. Well, I'm on Reddit now. We'll check it out later. Okie dokie, Real Ray. Thanks a lot. Hopefully you're now a moderator. Please could I have the link to the newsletter. Yes, you can. Danny Joyce wants the newsletter. It goes out every single Sunday and every single Friday. I do cash giveaways every single Friday. So here now we do double prizes. It's even better, right? Okay, so this is how you get the newsletter. It's the all links button, which is below every video. It's on the screen right now. You can see it all the time. Here it is. There it is. The email weekly newsletter is there. When you click on that, you will come to this page. It's the all links button. Okay, all my links, all my free stocks for everybody. If anybody wants some free Apple stocks, we're giving Apple stocks away today and Tesla on Robinhood. If you're in the US and you use my referral, ask me for that if you want it, and I'll give it to you. And you can get some free stocks. It's a phenomenal giveaway. In fact, I'll put it in the chat right now. This is my referral for Robinhood. If you're in the US and you've not got Robinhood yet, we've got some great giveaways. It's free. There you go. Anyway, you click on this all links button here, Danny Joyce. Put your email in there. You will then get a verification email. Not just it says you subscribed. People get confused. Read what it says on the thing. It says you will receive a verification email. The verification email will probably go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. So if you've not received a verification email, search your junk folder for this email. It's the day trader at martynlucas.com. It's in the chat right now. It's also below the video. It's also in the description and the about section of this channel. If you verified it and you clicked on it, you will receive an email on Sunday 8 a.m., 2 p.m. GMT, 9 p.m. Central Eastern Time. If you don't get it, it's because you've not verified it or it's gone in your junk folder. Look in your junk folder and allow it to be a good email for you. Okay? That's all you have to do. And if you've not done it by Sunday, you'll have to verify it again and hopefully get it the following week. All right? It only goes out once a week. Martin, can I review SoFi? Yes, I can. I can have a look at SoFi for you. Okay. All right. Did Danny Joyce, did that explain it to you? Hopefully it did. Okay. So glad to hear you. A lot of stuff going on. We missed you, my friend. Ale, I'm on Reddit now. We'll check it out later. Let's have a little look. Question for the family. What's the best system to use in the UK to buy and send BTC? To buy and send BTC, in the UK, of course, I do Robinhood. So one of my UK audience will tell you, I'm sure. Martin, can you review SoFi? Yes, I'll do it now. What is expected of SoFi's earnings? Okay. SoFi, let's talk about SoFi for Max H and Baron Handley. I've got a position in SoFi and I've added to it. I'm down 22%. Why am I not buying anymore if I'm bullish? For the simple reason I've got enough to reach my target of 200 grand by next year. What do I think of SoFi? SoFi is a digital bank. I think digital banks will replace brick and mortar banks like Bank of America in the future. This, for me, is without doubt the future. You see them advertising all the time on TV. People can get rates, car loans, mortgages, way less than any banks. Phenomenal. I love it. I think it's great. However, before I tell you, I've just realised not everyone has smashed the like button. There's 33 people watching and only 23 likes. Smash the like button. We're giving you good information here. All right. Anyway, so on SoFi is down because of all the drama and the FUD and the nonsense. It's just like Tesla is. Everything good today is down. It's one of those days. It's all part of the course, right? And SoFi is down because of all the fear around crypto. Now, when FTX went down, SoFi started to drop. It started to drop because they have exposure to crypto. However, they're not a crypto company. They're not a scam system like FTX. They are actually governed and they have to follow the rules and the license of a bank. They are registered as a bank. They're not registered as a Sam Bankman-Fried rip-off company. They're registered as a bank. So they follow banking rules, all right? So they're doing everything right. Everything is as it should be. However, because they're regarded as a bank, suddenly everybody went, hang on a minute. They're a digital bank, but they have exposure to crypto. So yes, in the short term, they're losing a bit of money because of crypto and so on and so forth. But as they've explained on their calls before, they've got far more exposure to the other things and crypto itself can't bring them down. But because they're getting investigated and everything is going well with that, by the way, there's no drama with SoFi whatsoever. They've said we're following all the rules. Everything is great. Because of that, people on Twitter and Reddit and God knows what else are shorting it and saying it's all going to zero. And people who don't believe in the stock, who didn't believe in the stock, are selling it out. And that's great because I bought more when it went down. I think I doubled my position. I think I literally doubled it. I'm down 22%. I should have been down like 50%. I'm down 22. I'm not buying any more. I do have an order placed. There you see. I'm going to buy shares at $4. Not saying it's going to go to $4, but it's getting close. And if it does, I'm buying 40. I might even buy more like 100 at that price. I'll readjust it. But I'm buying more if it goes lower. I'm holding it. I'm not selling it. I like SoFi, and I'm very happy to hold it. They continually climb. Their earnings continually goes up, apart from that one dip there. I'm happy with it. I'm holding it, not concerned at all. Real Racers, I like the haircut. You notice that? Oh, yes. I've had my haircut every two and a half weeks. The hair gets short. You might notice that. You can always tell when it's always cut at the weekends. It's always about 2 weeks. Anyway, there you go. All right. Thanks for noticing, Ray. All right. Okay. So that's my thoughts on SoFi. Nexo is moving out of the US market. Nexo is Nexo the sound system. I used to have a Nexo sound system. Right, let's go back to the main portfolio, and we're seeing a little bit of a rise now. Can of pledge in the post. Ha, very funny. Very funny, Tom. Yeah, here we go. So now the market is rising into the close. It didn't go below my all-time lows. Didn't allow me to buy anything. And there we go. All right. How many likes have we got on the video now? Let's have a quick look. We've had 53 come through the show so far. 26 likes. Yeah, we're 4 short. So it's 15 minutes. You're going to get punished. Yeah, you're all going to get punished with a commercial break. There's 4 people that didn't like the video. See you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back. That'll teach you. Got to smash the like button, otherwise you get punished. Do a bit of research. Okay. Have a quick drink. So far, so good. So far, so good, Bill. You're absolutely right. So far, so good. Okay. Ad not working on app. No, it doesn't do it on your phone. It doesn't do it on your phone, Tom. How many times have I told you that? It doesn't do it on your phone. Anyway. Getting a nice bit of a bounce into the close. If I share with you my phone, should we have a quick look at crypto as well? Look at that. That's quite a bounce back. Raindrops keep falling on me head. I'm on my iPad. Yeah, it doesn't work on iPads either. It only works on computers that don't have an ad blocker. So if you do, you're stealing from me. How does it feel? Right. Ledger Live. 625, a little bit of a drop, but I'm up 7% on the week on my crypto. Crypto is the best thing to FTX was the best thing to happen to crypto. You put it on your ledger, you leave it, you don't up 3%, it just adjusted. You don't move it around, you don't sell it, it just sits there. I like it. Right, we're getting quite a significant bounce into the close now. Look, quite significant. That's nearly the best bounce of the day. Anyway, what a surprise. Tesla isn't going bankrupt. Neither is SoFi. Neither is Rivian. I don't know how these people get out of bed sometimes. These YouTubers. I get tired of talking about it, but people ask me. They message me on Reddit and Twitter and LinkedIn and everywhere else. Is it true? Meet Kevin said that Tesla's going bankrupt. And I go, do I even need to reply to this? How many more times I've got to say the same thing? How did we go Saturday night? Mike, it was a great gig. I've been offered every Saturday of the year. Everyone wants. It's like unbelievable. I've got a venue in Dallas that wants me every Saturday of the year. Can anyone recommend a good ad blocker? Hey, Andrew Grady, you're funny. You're funny. Yeah, right. Hell yeah, Martin. Yeah, every single Saturday. It's phenomenal. And I actually had 2 venues bid for it. Because somebody else wanted it as well. It was like, I can't work everywhere. How can I do that? Anyway, it's quite interesting. Right, so I haven't hit all-time lows. I've not been able to buy anything today, which is great. My portfolio has bottomed. I've been saying it now for, a couple of weeks. Just snipping here and there, but really nothing. Can't buy anything. Good afternoon. Hope so. Caught scalps today in the tips room, or did well today. Ed Nevius. Ed, how are you, Ed? Lovely to have you here. Adblocker Pro works for YouTube, and you can select the pushed ads as well. Bloody hell, Tom. Yeah, why don't you just tell everybody how they can just not? I don't get any money at all. Yeah, why don't you do that, Tom? Oh my God. I'm always here, just lurking, Al. I'm in demand, mate. Well done. Good to keep your hand into it. Yeah, what I am doing though, because my back now, I can't do the heavy lifting anymore. I'm requesting that they have engineers provide, because I do some big functions now. There's a little Disney down in Dallas. It's great, and they want me to sing on a balcony and have all this electronics and fly in and God knows what else. And they're providing all the sound and the light. I mean, it's like 20,000 people in the audience. It's huge, and I just turn up and sing. I just walk in like a rock star. Anyway, I don't have to do anything. I get paid to do nothing. I get paid to go la 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 for 10 minutes. It's brilliant. Anyway, I know. Yeah, look, Tom's coming on here telling everybody how they can avoid watching my ads. That's brilliant. That's what you want your friends to do, isn't it? Amazon. Now then, Amazon. I am nearly at a buy. See this? $85. $85 is my buy. It's my all-time insanely low price. I bought at 87. 85 is my lowest price. So not there yet. I can't lift anything heavier either. Nothing over 20 pounds. This reason I asked my wife to help me go to the restroom. Oh, very funny. That's good. We'll give you that one. I wish we could see the shows. I might start. The big theater, the big gigs. I might start streaming on my YouTube channel. On the Martyn Lucas channel. I might do that. In fact, I could do that every Saturday. I could if I wanted to. Do I want to? Should I do that for you? Hello, Paddy. Oh, hello. Patty April. She's over on Discord. She's over on TikTok. How are you doing, Paddy April? Hey. Trading 212 said about Tesla. Yeah, there's loads of drama. I don't believe a word of it. Even the brokerages, there's some information that's coming out that's not true. Heavy Pants Project. Anyway. Heavy Pants Project. What does that mean? Oh, I see. Now I'm with you. Yeah, okay. Now I got it. All right. I'm with it now. All right. The S&P 500 going sideways. Evening project. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Orbit, we're still waiting for the flight. Tesla still going down. I'm waiting to buy it at at 160. Sorry. Rivian, I'm up 6%. Not buying it. I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm not going to sell it either. It's ridiculous. Arrival. Amazon. Amazon I've got a buy at 85. Don't see it going there. 130. I've got a buy at Apple. Don't see that going there. At 8 for Amazon. Robinhood. Forget to ask earlier. How's the boss doing today? How am I doing? I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. McDonald's is down 0.86. I'm up nearly 12%. Not concerned. Coca-Cola, I'm up 7%. Not concerned. J&J going up today. I'm up 6.5%. Google down 1.43. I'm on a wash. Talking about the washes earlier. The other boss. Who's the other boss? Forgot to ask. How's the boss doing today? Who's the other boss? We got more bosses. How many bosses we got in here? That's not confusing at all. Right, Meta, I'm up 5.5%. Remember when everyone said Meta was a waste of time? SoFi going sideways. I'm waiting to buy it at 4. IonQ, 464. Have I got a buy? Yeah. I've got a buy. I think it's at 450. No, 4. IonQ, 4. All-time lows. No, I don't think they're going to get there. Walmart, up 23%. Target. Let's go back to Tilray. Tilray's gone back up again, 463. I'm up 35%. UCal, that's sideways. I have no idea what that means. Oh, the other boss. Oh, I see. All right. Down 0.12. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV down 2.43. Ethereum. Okay. 4.63. Down. At the moment, are we starting to get any bounce in the close? It bounced a little bit. It's gone sideways. We've got 15 minutes to go. I'm looking for some more breaking news over here on... here it is. This is our latest figures for you. Oh, hang on a minute. That's not up to date. Microsoft raises price of new Xbox game to $70. Bloody hell, a game for $70. Ukraine latest, let me bring this to you. Moscow blames Ukraine for attacks deep in Russia. Okay, well, of course it would. It's like Russia can drop bombs all over Ukraine and then gets upset if Ukraine decide to fire back. You're not allowed to invade Russia. Oh, you can't invade us. We can drop bombs all over you. The fight's only happening in your country. Don't bomb us, because that would make the problem worse. Oh, okay then. All right. You can bomb us. The rules are you can kill us, but we can't fire back on you. Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Unbelievable. I can't even believe that Russia could be so arrogant to assume that would never happen. Anyway, was there any news of the NDAA today? NDAA, what is that exactly, Dexter? I don't know what you mean. What does that stand for? Microsoft is trying to buy. Oh, is it? It's trying to buy gaming Activision. Okay. Okay. What's the schedule in December like? What's the schedule in December like on the 15th? The schedule? Why? What's the 15th? Are you on about the FOMC report? Is that what you mean? Let me just scroll down. Yes. The 15th, basically on the 15th, we will be here as always, the opening bell, the closing bell, and we'll be covering the FOMC report. I'll be going live at 12:30 and beating everybody else on it. Yes, I will be covering the FOMC report. That's very important. It's the last one of the year, obviously. It's going to set the tone for next year. Yeah, that's the one where we're going to see how the Fed reacted to the unemployment figures being bad, that is for the markets, not bad for the workers. But of course, what's bad for the markets is ultimately bad for the workers long term. Everyone thinks of themselves for now, what they want now. There's no point all the workers getting all excited because their pay's going up. Isn't it brilliant? Our pay's going up. You don't want your pay to go up. Nobody wants a pay rise. You all go, hang on a minute. Yeah, we do. No, you don't. No one wants a pay rise. What you want, Bim Boking. Who's Bim Boking? Somebody on TikTok is giving me more likes than any other human being in the history of human beings in the world. They're tapping the likes like that, going crazy. I've got 4,000 likes in like a couple of minutes. Amazing. Right, so what I was going to say was, you don't want a pay rise. Pay rise is short term. I want more money. I want more money. You don't. What we want is the same wages, but prices to come down. That way, you're actually richer. If everyone gets a pay rise, all they do is pass it on. Prices go up. Inflation goes up. Nobody wins. That's a pointless exercise. What we want is we want a strong economy. So what we want is we want everyone to earn the same. We want prices to come down. That way, everybody is richer. That's what we need. I know what church is going to say. My rent's gone up. There it is in the chat. Look, I knew he was going to say that ahead of time. The rent goes up, so you need more money. But we're all trying to put the cart before the horse. We're all like, I want this, I want that. And that doesn't fix the problem. The problem is we've got to fix the economy. That's why the Fed exists, to drive down inflation. So that's why we need the markets to cool off. And everyone getting pay rises just means we put the prices up and then the rent go up and we're back to where we started. Nothing improves. It's pointless. Anyway, let's have a little look. Yes, church. Sorry, 68 billion in cash sale. I want a pay rise. Everybody wants a pay rise. Did anybody ever see Bruce Almighty with Jim Carrey? Bruce Almighty acted as God, and then everyone prayed to God and said, can I win the lottery? So he went yes to everyone. Everyone won the lottery. What happened? Riots in the street, chaos, inflation, everything went bananas. Because now everyone's got $1 million, everyone's rich, everything breaks. There you go. Bimbo Boking. Thanks, Mike Flynn, who's one of our moderators and our members, one of our top supporters, is thanking you. So thank you ever so much, Mike, for thanking our friends over there on TikTok. Anyway, tell them all about YouTube, Mike. Tell them all about it, how they can win money. Anyway, do Rockstar have stocks? I can't find on trade. Do Rockstar have stocks? I can't find on Trading 212. GTA 6 out of 2024. Tip biggest name in history. I'm not sure what that is, Andrew. I don't care what anyone says. Bills have to be paid. They do have to be paid, but it's not the way forward. It's very short-sighted. I know that's what you need individually, and I get that's what you're saying. But for the global economy to work, it doesn't work if we all think for ourselves. It's a collective. And anyway, we only live once. We do, and money is a made-up concept. Well, you say it's made up, but try and go down the shops without it. Anyway, we've got somebody over here on Facebook's probably rubbish. Ignore that. I don't know what that is. It's probably a bit of scam. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I'd say money is not made up, but currency is. Okay. Rockstar Games is not publicly traded, but you can buy their holding company, Take-Two Interactive. Thanks for that, Church. Explaining that one. I had no idea what you was talking about there, but anyway, that's good. Right. I'm trying to see if we've got any breaking news. Nothing over there yet. They own Rockstar. Baron Handley. Good stuff. Right. 9 minutes to go. We're coming up to... Oh, hang on. Here's the latest figures. You'll want all this. You'll want all this. You'll want all this. The Dow Jones is down 1.49. S&P is down 1.96. NASDAQ down 2%. Bit of a red day. I'm down 4.7. So I'm typically... I'm down more when I'm down, and I'm up more when I'm up. Does that make sense? I always beat the S&P going up, but I always beat it going down as well. You can see that because if I only owned the S&P, I'd be exactly the same. But my volatile stocks sell off and also buy up quickest, and it's why I'm always beating the market. And it's why I'm always losing on the market when it goes down more. That's why you can't overextend, and that's why you need a balanced portfolio. Thank you very much, Leah. Got my tea there. Look at that. Tea from Leah, Mike. Thanks, Church. Gonna be a long... Sorry, Martin. GTA old Grand Theft Auto. A big game. Oh, yeah. Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, I used to play it years ago. And then I grew up and stopped doing it. I became a grown-up and said, you know what, I'm done with all this now. I'm done with all this gaming. I don't do it anymore. I grew up. No, I like the old games. But those Grand Theft Autos, stuff like that, stress me out. I find it quite stressful because I'm rubbish at it. I get all, like, excited and, like, it's like, oh, what's going on? Anyway, just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. Andrew Grady, a very long wait. Video game stocks is the best investment right now, unaffected by the Grim Reaper. Is that what you reckon, is it? I just can't get just can't get excited about just can't get excited about buying a gaming company. It doesn't seem to be proprietary or unique or life-changing, or it's not really, doesn't excite me. Anyway, I grew up to 44, now buying stocks. Yeah, moved on. Inflation-proof, Martin. Defensive, is it? I don't know. I've never looked at it. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Chris Potter, what's the best, cheapest platform of trading in the UK? Chris Potter, we got a new guest. Come on in and say hello. How are you? Get to know the family. It's funny, isn't it? Everyone treats online like a place to shout. I want something. Come on in here, say hello, and then we'll answer your question. Real Ray says thanks. Thanks, Leah. Everyone thanks Leah when the tea or coffee comes in. I love it. 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 Chris Potter. There you go. He's got hello all. Hello, Chris. Where you from? My name's Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, the best online streaming studio on YouTube. Let me give you a wave. And at some point during the show, if we get a $10 super chat, I do a song live in the show and we have a party. And we celebrate people's birthdays. We commiserate when people lose money. We celebrate when everyone makes money. We're live 10 hours a day. We're trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world. We're live on TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, all at the same time. But our home is here on YouTube. And guess what, Chris? Guess what? First of all, I'm from, my studio is here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Where in the world are you from? You're a musician too. Well, I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. I've done 195 countries, 37 years. I'm old now, I'm 53. I've done all kinds of things. And now I'm here to help people with my YouTube channel. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages in 650 songs. And Stratford, no way. No way. That's the county I was born in. You are now the county I was born in. There you go. Brilliant stuff. And Chris, just down the road from Shakespeare. There you go. In Tewkesbury. Not Tewkesbury, beg your pardon, Stratford. Absolutely awesome. Awesome, Chris. Lovely to have you here. You are literally from my home county. Even though I grew up in Cornwall, I was born up in that part of the world. Anyway, lovely to have you here. And you'll never guess what, Chris? You've come to officially the highest engagement channel on YouTube for live viewers who are members. Can you see everyone's a member? Everyone who watches my show, up to 10 hours a day we go live. And we are here to help people. We've raised over $1 million from our members. We do cash prize giveaways every Friday. And I'm going to give you the invitation to join. And if you are a musician and your channel is if you are a YouTuber, I will, for a gift, do something very nice for you today if you become a member. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I love helping fellow musicians. So if you become a member today, you're going to love me. You're going to go, that's the best thing I ever did. I don't know if you are a YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to check right now. I'm going to check if you're a YouTuber. And if you are, I am going to do something for you if you become a member. Let me have a look. I'm going to have a quick look. I'm going to see if he's a YouTuber. And let's see if he shares his music. Let me have a quick look. Let's have a little look. Where's he gone? Where's that guy gone? Chris Potter. There you go. Whoops, a daisy. I'm trying to get Chris. There we go. Go to channel. There we go. Let's have a little look. Let's see. Let's see if he's got his music on his YouTube channel. No, he doesn't. Chris Potter doesn't. He has a channel. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Does he? Waiting for YouTube, it says. He might do. Hang on. I'm going to refresh it. I can't see it. I don't know. He's got a banner, so he's taken some... Oh, the channel doesn't have any content. No, he doesn't. Okay. Okay. No, he doesn't. I've already checked. Yeah, Mike's checked for me as well. I was going to blow up your channel today, Chris Potter, but you haven't got any content. Do you want to put any content up there? Do you want to get famous on YouTube? We can do that. We can do that. We like doing that. We like helping people. Right, the portfolio is coming up. 44.8. There you go. Load of drama today going on. Loads of nonsense going on. Right, we've got 2 minutes to go. Let's see if he becomes a member. Right, I'm still looking for an army of moderators to support my Reddit channel. I get lots of very heated debate over there. Be careful, Chris. Martyn is the FBI on YouTube. That's right, I am. That's right. I am the FBI on YouTube. You're dead right there. That is exactly right. Virgin Galactic is down 0.29. Let me go back to my Tilray, see what's going on there. Yep, it's gone back up again. Did you all sell off this morning? Did you all get fearful? Who held their Tilray? See, pop up and all the... here we go, 1 minute to go. Thank you very much, Stephen Lewandowski, for reminding me. I would have missed it. Thanks for that. I would have missed it, no question about it. Thank you very much. again. Tilray is coming up. The overall portfolio is coming up as well. If you have a quick look at the overall portfolio. It's coming up. Coming up quick. That's what happens when your portfolio is balanced. Oops, hang on a minute. Pressed the wrong button. Right, we're about to close. We're about to close out. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. I can't believe Rivian didn't go bankrupt today. So surprised that guy was wrong. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? Meet Kevin. Oh, yeah. Rivian's going bankrupt today. Tesla's going down all the way down to 100 shares. $100 a share. Yeah. Lucid's going bankrupt as well. And I think he got like about... When I watched it, it was within about half an hour of him posting the information, he'd had about 20, 30,000 views. So by the end of the day, he'll make about 10 grand. 10 grand. Some people just don't care. They just don't care about you. They just care about making money. I feel very sad for him. How many millions of dollars do you need before you think that life is worth living? And then he'll tell you... In fact, I'm not going to give him any more my time. Martin Wine. I want to make money, but I don't have a lot to start. Martin, I can help you. You only need $1. My portfolio started out at $5,000. It's currently $44,800. You don't need money. You just need education, discipline, perseverance, knowledge, patience, and a good sense of where the world is going, rather than what everybody tells you or what everybody wants it to be for their own ends. I can give you cash prize giveaways where you can win money, and it's free. You don't even need to be a member to win my free cash prizes. I've been inviting you now for over a week. You've been watching me on TikTok to join me on YouTube. And today, I've just doubled our cash prize giveaways. I'm doing double cash prizes. You can't win it on TikTok, so why don't you enter it? It's free. Why would you not? And then the money you could win, and only a handful of people enter, because most people just don't be bothered. That's the reality of it. You can win some money, reinvest it, and make money, and that's how I grew my portfolio. I didn't win any money, but I kept reinvesting my winnings, if you like, call it winnings. So it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel, just type it into YouTube. Come on in, everybody will welcome you in, and I'll give you the link where you can be in the free prize draw. If you want money, I'm giving it away. Just got to come and get it. I sell and trade architectural computer computations and seconds instead of day traders. I tried to on Friday. What, you tried to come on into YouTube? Well, I'm live right now. I'm live on YouTube. There's nothing to try. You just come into YouTube and that's it. Anyway, I'm over there. This is it right now. Let me go back to YouTube. And emotion, mindset, and risk management, in my opinion. Yeah, emotion and mindset is everything, Ed. So many people just get afraid and fearful. But then a lot of that is because people are manipulated by the rubbish they read online. Anyway, I can't do anything about that other than be live all the time and try to, give the other side of the argument. Anyway, let's have a little look. Any questions? Space, not 100. Space, not 100 yet. No. Yes, not 100 yet. No. We've got Meet Kevin saying that we're going down to bankrupt Rivian today, and we've got other Twitters and tweeters and Redditors saying that space will be 100 today, and they get thousands and thousands of views. It's incredible. I don't know why people read into it, but they do. Maybe should I might run a poll in a minute. Should I change the policy of my channel and make up? Yeah, let me do a poll. Let me do a poll. All right, start a poll. Shall I start making up stuff? There you go. So shall I start, rather than telling the truth, shall I start making up stuff and doing sad faces and saying I'm going to go bankrupt tomorrow and blah, 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 and I don't know. You know, Donald Trump's going to come round for dinner and give me $1 million to build my channel up and God knows what else. Just make up rubbish. There you go. Shall I make up stuff? And it'll get me more views, and then I'll be this really rich YouTuber. Shall I do it? What do you reckon? It's a stupid poll. You don't even need to answer it. It's a stupid poll. All right. I don't even know why I did it. I should cancel it. Thanks, Ale. Thanks, Andrew. Oh, here we go. Why are we doing the thanks thing again? Why does this happen Oh, here he is. Martyn Wynn. Martyn Wynn's here. Here he is. Martyn Wynn is here from TikTok. How hard was that, Martyn Wynn? Here he is. Here he is. Right. Okay. I am here. Yes, we know you're here. So first of all, right, he's a guest right now. He's not a member of the family. He's just a guest. I say just a guest, but he came over from TikTok, so we're going to be extra nice to him. He came over from TikTok. So would everybody please put your cities and countries and welcome him into the channel? Shall we do that first of all? Shall we do that? Go on then. Everybody put your city and country in. Let's welcome him in. All right, you do the same. You do the same. Martyn Wynn. All right. So I've already introduced myself, right? I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. This is my studio. Dallas, Texas. How are you? Right. Now, Martyn Wynn has got no money, but he wants to make some money. So how can we help? How can we help? First of all, if you want to, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. But you'll see. Can you see, Martyn? Everyone's a member. You don't have to do it. If you've got no money, you don't want this. This is $2 a month. $2.99 for the membership. If you get that, you get 20 times back what you put in. But if you've got no money at all, that's fine. But you'll make money from it being a member. But if you don't want it, that's fine. If you've got no money and you don't want to do that, that's fine. There are other ways. There's the membership. I will give you this Discord for free. You can talk to our traders. Ed Nevius is in our Discord. He tells you great tips every day. Ed Nevius is over on our channel. There you go. There's our Discord link. Okay, you can access that for free. That's free. Great information for free. If you want to win money from me so you can invest it, every first Friday of the month, I give away the money I make on subscriptions on Twitch. And you can subscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming. There is my Twitch. It's free. If you want some free Apple stocks, this is good, isn't it? I mean, this is like best channel in the world, right? If you want some free Apple stocks, if you live in the if you live in the US and you've not got Robinhood and you use my referral, you can win some Apple or Tesla stocks from this referral I'm putting in the chat. There it is. There. And I will share with you what I get as well. And if I get anything back from them, I will share with you what I get. I also, for my members, give cash back on Amazon if you buy anything using my Amazon shop. That's another thing you can have. But I'm not going to give you too many things now. It's going to confuse you, right? And if you want to be in our free prize draw, which I think is why you came over initially, here is our free weekly prize draw. Every single Friday, I give money away that I make on the video for free. You haven't even got to be a member. It's free for everybody, free for all. There is the email. Sorry, there is the link. That link will take you to this page here. It's called my All Links page. All you do, and you know it's called the All Links page, because look, all links below. Oh, yeah. And then here's the newsletter. You put your email in there, look. You go, Martyn Lucas, like that. You click subscribe. All right, like that. Look, the email already exists. You got to use a different email. All right, and you put your email in there. Then it will send you a verification email. Just because it says you're in, you're not in. It sends you a verification email. The verification email will go into your junk folder. Why? Because it contains the word cash prize draw. And emails think, oh, hang on, this might be scam. It's not. It's me. It's me. There is your email. The email you're looking for is adaytrader@martynlucas.com. See it written down there in the chat? Search for that and you will find it. Click the verification approval. You can always unsubscribe if you don't want it anymore. That's all you got to do. And then on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, out will come your email. If you don't see it, it's because it's got into your junk folder again. Go and search for it and find it, and there you go. And there's the email you're searching for. All right, that's it. Now that's free money. And this Friday, you missed it. It just went out on Sunday. Sorry, Sunday it went out. This Friday, we're giving away double prizes, because if you watch the video and then retweet on, like it says in the email, you can be in a double prize if you win. And I'll share with you, 6 people have retweeted. Look, if I go onto this, look, I can see who's retweeted. Hindley Max. Is that Baron Hindley? Is that Baron Hindley? Right. I've got somebody here who's just we've got 6 people now have retweeted. So if one of you win, you're going to get double prizes. So who is Hindley Max? Is that Baron Hindley? If it is, and you're a member, I'm going to follow you back and promote your Twitch channel. Sorry, Twitter. Max H. Who is it? Who is it? Who is Hindley Max? Who is this? Who is Hindley Max 1? Is it anybody in the chat right now? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you don't come back, I'll move on. But I'm going to follow you back now if you are a member. I only follow my members. Anybody? Okay, I'll come back to that. Maybe they're behind. All right. Hindley Mac, if that's you, let me know. Or send me a message and say, it's me, and I will upgrade you. All right. Bill, I don't know why it didn't work for you. It works for everyone. You're not tweeting, you're just retweeting. All right, it works for everyone. It's working for everyone, as you can see. But I don't know what you're doing. I don't know why you're tweeting. You're not supposed to tweet, you just retweet. Anyway. Let me show you what I mean by retweeting. You've got to go to the right one, as in the newsletter. The newsletter gives you the link to the Twitter page, all right? And all you do is click that button there, retweet. Oh, hang on, you can't see it. And all you do is click retweet, and then put your name so I know it's you. You say I'm Shin Dynasty from YouTube, and I'll follow you back. Just click that button there, retweet. Dead easy, all right? Anyway, Baron Hindley's not here, so I don't know. Anyway. So Martin Wynn, I hope that helps. I hope that helps with all those wonderful things. If you want to get all the other links, they're all below the video. And here's the Reddit as well. If you want to be, once you become a follower here and a moderator here, I'll make you a moderator on Reddit as well. Anyway, there it is. The bell is now gone. We're in after hours, and like no surprise, Rivian didn't go bankrupt. Tesla didn't crash to zero, and the stock market is rebounding quite quick. Well, that's a surprise. I never saw that come in. Martyn Lucas does for investing what a combustion engine does for a car. But no fumes, no heat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I like that one. There you go. Martyn Lucas does for investing what a combustion engine does for a car. But no fumes. Oh, by the way, talking of Real Ray, I've got something to show you. That Real Ray sent me. All right? Real Ray sent me some stuff here. Sent me some stuff. And look, he sent me, you're going to like this. You want to see some pictures that Real Ray did of me? Look at this. Look. That's me. I don't know how he did that. Look at that. Look at that. How about that? Hey? Look at this. Oh, yeah, I bet you didn't know. Look at that. What about this one? Look at that. I look quite good in pictures, don't I? Look, isn't the one? Look at this. I'm an oil painting, folks. I bet you never realised that I was so amazing. And he also sent in a clip from the show the other night. This is when we were doing an after hours thing, I think, for Kevin Graham. How are you, Kevin? He sent that in as well. We were doing an after hours party. There you go. All good, isn't it? Looks quite British. Yes, it's Is Mary Hinge here? Mary Hinge? What does that mean? Ian, is Mary Hinge here? What does that mean? Alex Cooper. Kevin Graham. It's a young you. You're over there on Facebook. Come and join us on YouTube. Love Kevin Graham. Come over here on YouTube a minute. Ian Jackson's trying to catch me out now. I'm not playing along. Martyn's mysterious portrait. Yes, indeed. So there we go. Kevin Graham. And there's people on Facebook. What's going on? Anyway, not quite sure what's going on over there for the minute. So there we go. I think we're pretty much done for today. We're back again in the morning for the closing bell. Shall I start making up stuff? 62. See, look at that. Look, even on this channel, 39% of you are saying, yeah, make up stuff. Just make up nonsense. Tell lies. We love it. See, that's what the problem is with YouTube. That's what the problem is with TikTok, Reddit, Twitter. People act that 39% of you are saying, yeah, make up stuff. See, unbelievable. Anyway, end the poll. Anyway. That's beyond words. I even voted yes in the make up the poll. Yeah. Make up stuff. That's what we're going to do from now on. We're going to make up stuff. Everybody wants that instead. We don't want the truth. We don't want to know what's going on. Just make it up. Oh my God. All right. Anyway, there's the portfolio. We are down today nearly 4%. I'm not concerned. I'm not freaking out or anything like that. And to be honest with you, I'm having a great day with my stocks. It's just a couple of stocks like Tesla is letting everything down. To be perfectly honest, I'm having a good day. And if you look at what I mean, the only makeup I want is on my wife on a night out. There you go. There you go. Bitcoin's getting cheaper again. I've got a buy at 14,000. Bitcoin SV. I own 11 Bitcoin. I don't need to buy any more. Don't need to buy any more. Ever. Because if it goes to $11 million, I've got $11 million and I. So there you go. I'm the richest man in the world. So Tilray Brands today, I'm up 34% now, $1,300. Very, very nice. It's sold off a bit like I said it would, but still up. I'm fine with it. Perfectly happy with that. And that's all good. Even SPCE has gone back up again today, 516. I'm happy with that. And what about Virgin Orbit? We're waiting for the flights. There you go. Right, I think we're done. I think we're done tonight. I think that'll do. Let's see if we can get up to 50,000 this week. We're going to cover the FOMC report. Yes. So I'm going to just finish off right now with a couple of things before I go, and we'll do day trader of the day as well. If anybody wants to get my exclusive content of what I'm going to buy, what I'm going to sell before I do it, before I go on air, and what I'm researching during the night, at the top left-hand corner of the Discord channel is a server subscription. And a couple of bucks a month, you can have that information should you wish to do that. And that information is what I'm doing before I go on air and what I do afterwards, what I'm buying and selling. And I stick by that. I don't change it. It's not regarded as financial advice. It's just what I am doing. And in the pre-market in the morning, when I've already bought in or already sold something, and I tell you about when I've done it, but that's what I'm doing before I do it. Okay? That's that one there. And don't forget to look up wash sale. Thank you very much, Mike. I'll try. I've got so much to do. That's that. What else? Oh, yeah. Last time, let me have a look now. See how many people I've got now in my Reddit army. The Lucasades are going against all the Redditors now. Let's have a look. How many have we got in there now? We've got, I think we've got 5 followers. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we've got 5 followers, and I've got 2 moderators. That's Churchy and Queen moderating for me on there. How many people have entered the competition? We got 6 retweets. So if any one of you guys win the video on Friday, you've got a double chance of winning if you've retweeted. All right, there you go. Quick sip of tea. Roll the credits. See you later, Paddy April. Lovely to have you over there on TikTok today. Day trader of the day then. Moreno just subscribed. Marcelo Moreno. Just Marcelo. I wonder if that's my agent. Marcelo is booking me for my gigs. I wonder if that's him. A guy called Marcelo is a guy booking me on my shows. I wonder if that's him. That'd be interesting. Down 2.7. Wash sale rules, Mike. Okay, here we go. I'm down 3.99. So day trader of the day, here we go, down 3.99%. Real Ray's got all the money. Andrew Gray says stay. We're after hours now. You got to do a $10 super chat if you want extra time. You've got a minute to do it if you want. If you want me to stay for another 15 minutes, it's going to cost you $10. Otherwise, I'm going to go home. I'm already home. What am I talking about? Right, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's have a little go. Andrew Gray says carry on. I've never had anyone ever say stay on before. So there you go. That's a new rule. If you want me to do overtime, you got to do a super chat. Right, here we go. Please don't go. Patty says don't go as well. I've got to go. So down 2.23 says real. Oh, I'm up. I beg your pardon. I'm down 3.99. Down 2.58. Looks like Real Ray's going to win. Down 2.7. Yeah, go home in the next room. Yeah, down 4.03. Down 4.47. It looks like I am up 2.23. Real Ray is our winner tonight. Looking good. So we're gonna call it. Terrible day trading, but amazing time to be alive. Yes, and it's Farrell. Everything's fine. The portfolio's come back up again. No issues whatsoever. Let's give a big thank you to Real Ray for his honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. I don't want to look, says Tio Roll. Oh my God, stay! I just opened the Karev. I have got a $10 super chat to do an extended show. I cannot believe it. That has never happened before. Michael Wynn has just become a bronze member. We've got to carry on now. I can't believe it. That's also, thank you very much for your honest trades, Real Ray. Here's the sound effects. There we go. Woohoo! Nice one. Nice one. I can't believe it. Look at that. We've got Martyn Wynn has become a member, and Andrew Grady has just asked me to carry on. Well, I've got to carry on now. We've got to carry on. So first of all, fantastic. Absolutely awesome. Well, what can I say? It's awesome, isn't it? So, Martyn Wynn is our latest member. So, first of all, then, would everybody please welcome Martyn Wynn into the family? Let's give him a great big welcome, shall we? Everyone put your city and country in, because we all want to get to know Martyn Wynn. We want to know who he is. We want to know who he is, right? Okay, you ready? Let's celebrate. 3, 2, 1, go! Boom! There you go. Fantastic. Congratulations. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate it. There you go. Martyn Wynn. Welcome to the family. We go live 10 hours a day. Up to 10 hours a day. I'm always here. You'll get sick of me soon. You'll notice our team are all members. Everyone's a member at 95%, including yourself now. So your badge starts out blue. it goes green, then it turns yellow and gold. And you're about to see in the next few days our yellow badge members go gold because they have been a member for a year. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. If you're a business and you ever want to promote our channel, you can do it 1 month and then downgrade again to a bronze member. For $99, you can promote your business, and I will put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel. I will run commercials for you. And when we go live on here, we're live to like 20 different platforms at the same time. So we reach hundreds of thousands of people every week. And you are supporting the channel while we build and promote your business. Great, great thing to do. All right? Okay, should you ever wish to do that. Now then, as a bronze member, you can have many perks. You can ask me to review a stock live in the show. I will answer all your questions on YouTube. I'll reply to all your questions. I will follow you back on all social media that you follow me back on. If you want me to review something or do a poll, I will do it for you. As a bronze member, you also get a free birthday celebration for you or a member of your family the day before, the day of, and the day after. We will sing happy birthday to you live in the show, and you will get to keep the video. It will be your very own video performed live here in the studio. You can now also, because you are a member, if you want, you can request a song. It's a $10 super chat, but I only do that for members. If you want me to sing an happy anniversary or a love song or a ballad or whatever to anyone in your family, I can do that in the show for a $10 super chat. You will get that, all right? So there you go. Plus, now you'll hopefully you've got the newsletter. You said you were signing up for that? Did you get the verification email? Did it come through? Did you click yes? You'll now receive it on Sunday, and you will be in all of the emails every Sunday. Did you get that? Discord. I can now upgrade you as a member on Discord, and you can call into the show, speak 24 hours a day to anybody in the Discord. As a non-YouTube member, you only see the free channels. But here is the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes to get through. This is what you will see. When you come through to Discord, you will see the Welcome All channel here, and your name will appear here. If you write hello, Shad might pop in over there in a minute and welcome you in. That's what he normally does. Or anybody else wants to pop into Discord and welcome you in. If you're going to do that, you'll appear here, and then I will upgrade you live on the show. I will upgrade you and make you a member, and then you can call in and you can do great stuff. All right. What did Real Ray say? Create a diamond member and get a mechanical Martyn that sings Rule Britannia. Hey, Real Ray, if you're wanting to go above gold, we got sponsorship. We've got sponsorship and investor level. We've got levels way beyond diamond. Can you do Rod? I don't want to talk about it. Yes, I can do Rod Stewart, I Am Sailing, or Maggie May. I can do that. Yes, I can. And as you've given me a $10 super chat, I can do that. But it will be on my other channel at the end of the show. I can do that. So you wanted me to carry on. So did you want me to carry on, or did you want a song? I mean, what is it? I need to know what you want. You gave me a $10 super chat to carry on. Did you want a song, or did you want me to carry on? What's going on here? I need to understand exactly what you want. 10 minutes to go through, so be patient, please. Yes, Mike. Anything David Gray or Simon and Garfunkel? Yeah, I can do Sound of Silence. I can do Mrs. Robinson. I can do Bridge Over Troubled Water. Yep. Yes. But Andrew, you you wanted me to carry on. I need to know what you want. If you want an after-hour party, let me ask the family. If anybody wants some Simon and Garfunkel or any Rod Stewart, we'll start a poll. Who wants an after party? Who wants an after party? And that's where I'll do some music. After party. There you go. Rod Stewart and Simon and Garfunkel night. There we go. Yes or no. If anybody wants that and we get an overwhelming majority, Long and Winding Road, we can do that as well. Caden Youngquist is here. I was watching Caden Youngquist earlier, and he was making videos on Tilray brands. Hey, guess what, Caden Youngquist? Caden Youngquist is another YouTuber and he's got monetized in record time. And he was making videos this afternoon on Tilray brands. He was making videos on Tilray brands, and I want to show Caden Youngquist something, right? just to have some fun with him, Let's see if I can get this up. I'm just trying to search for it now. Let's see if this works. Right, you were making videos. I sold out on Tilray. Did you? Okay, I wouldn't have done that. Anyway, you just subscribed. Did you get the verification email? Did you? It all worked, did it? Brilliant. Caden, look at this, mate. So Caden's making Tilray videos. Now, incognito mode, it's a real search. Look at this. You're making Tilray videos. Look who ranks number 1 in the world for Tilray. There's my video. I've just posted a few minutes ago. That's just come out only a couple of minutes ago. I've got another one here. But look, that's not what I want to show you. Who ranks number 1 for the search term for Tilray brands? I even beat Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin's going to be so upset. He's got 1.85 million subscribers. But he has on engagement. None of it, hardly, like 9, 8, not even 8%. I think it's about 5% of his live viewers are members. Mine's 95%. Look at that. Meet Kevin, 1.85 million. I'm number 1. Hey, meet Kevin. Come on my show. That made me smile when that came up. That was brilliant. Poor old Meet Kevin. He can't rank for it, see? Can't rank for it. Anyway, CY Financials, I answered your question earlier. You wanted to know, Kevin's been slacking. You wanted to know if anyone's sponsoring the newsletter on Sunday, and no one's sponsoring the newsletter on Sunday. So if you wanted to, the spot is available. It's a $10 super chat, and it's available right now. Okay? We now have a circulation. I think, did you read the newsletter this week? I think we're now up to 320, 60% engagement rate, 60% open rate, sorry. So it's very, very good. So something like 250, 260 people will see your commercial. Anyway, thanks. We'll have a great week. I'm packing up for the night. Running Diary is off. One of our gold members is off. See you later, Running Diary. 88% want an after hours party. Whoa, look at that. That's like, what, 12 of you? 12 of you want some Simon and Garfunkel, and the first song is paid for. It's paid. Well, no, it's not actually. It's not. It's not paid for. Actually, I just realised it's not. We did extra. What's his name? Andrew Grady said, "I'll give you $10 if you carry on." So I've carried on. That doesn't get you a free song. See? Don't try and get it. Don't try and get it for free. Right. What did you tell me to do? Verify the email, Martin Wynn. Did you verify it, and then did it send you an email? You don't have to listen to me. Just read it just tells you on the screen what to do. Just read what it says on the screen. That's all you got to do. Don't listen to me. Just do what it says on the screen. Listening to me is a bad idea. I wouldn't ever listen to me. Anyway. Don't forget the exchange rate. All right. Right, real Andrew Grady. Don't you try and fleece me out of $10. I know what you're on for. That doesn't wash for me. That don't wash. All right, okay. We're going to do... I'm going to set up then an after-hours party. And... yeah, don't listen to Martin. Yeah, don't. Don't listen to me. Silly thing to do. Okay. Okay, we're going to set it up then. We've got a big number of people want to do it. So we've not done for a few nights. So we'll do one tonight. Okay. I'm setting up the music show. And it's Simon and Garfunkel and Rod Stewart. Apparently, that's what you want to hear. That's what you're going to get, whether you like it or not. Okay, whether you like it or not, that's what you're going to get. So we're going to create the event right now. Okay, here we go. Got to press a few buttons. I have to press a few buttons, see? And while we're doing that, we're watching the markets come back up again. Let's have a little look at Tilray. So be back going to look at Fourplex, new possible investment. All right. What is the picture you've got there, Caden? How do I start making money, please? How do you start making money? Well, other than win cash prizes, buy stocks that go up. Really, that's how it works. What can I say? You have to buy stocks that are going to go up. So I started out at $5,000, and now I'm up to 44.8. I buy stocks. I don't give financial advice. You can just see what I'm buying, see what I'm doing, and everybody here will share with you their honest trades. What would I buy right now at this precise moment in time? For me, nothing, because I'm fully invested. But if I was buying something right now, Rivian is a good buy at 29. Lucid is a good buy at 943. Where in the world are you? Have you got a brokerage? Have you already got a brokerage set up? Anyway, I need to set this show up. I'm getting distracted. Here a minute. I've got to set up the music show for Andrew Grady. He wants some Rod Stewart. So here we go. Let me put that in there. What day is it today? December the 5th. And there we go. We'll call it there. There we go. Documents. YouTube. Channels. Martyn Lucas channel. The Drive Home Show. It's a drive home show, even though I don't drive anywhere. It's like false pretenses, really. I wouldn't come and watch. It's called the Drive Home Show when I'm at home. So technically, it's false pretenses. Mind you, you've got a drive home if you're at work, right? I guess. So technically, right, here we go. Let me put it on there. And there. So it's going to be on Twitter and it's going to be on YouTube tonight. There we go. Where else shall I put it? Just there? That'll do. Create event. Create an event. I've created it. It's in creation mode. Okay. What do you think of this, folks? I'm now old. I now have reading glasses. Do I look sexy? What? Ready? Do you want to see? What do you reckon? Let's have a vote. These are my new glasses. What do you reckon? Look sexy? Amazing? What do you reckon of that? Do I look absolutely incredible? What do you reckon? So look, what do you reckon? Is that a good look? Is that a good look like that? That is the get old look, can't see bugger all look. That's what that is. All right, that's what that is. It's amazing, isn't it? It's a look you've never seen. It's incredible. I can't believe it. All right. Anyway, nice. Or, okay, like, subscribe. For full effect, you need to combine it with a hat. All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. For full effect, combine it with a hat. Okay, here we go. So here's the full effect now. There's the glasses. There's the hat. What do you think of that? That is the making, isn't it? That's the making of the man right there. Now you're thinking this channel has got it can zoom to new heights. There's never been a channel like it. That's what you're all thinking, isn't it? I can tell it's what you're thinking. I just know it. Right. Let's get ready. We're going to end this show because Andrew Grady paid for 10 extra. He wanted extra time. He said, if I give you a $10 super chat, will you carry on? Well, I did. I've carried on. And I've been carrying on now for like 20 minutes. So you've had your money's worth. All right? So now I'm going to get ready for the music show. And I'm going to give you all the link now. You ready? So you can all go there. And we're going to do Simon and Garfunkel. And Rod Stewart. Well, that is if we get a $10 super chat. If we don't, then it's going to be a very quiet show. All right? You look nice, Professor. Oh, yeah, Ale. You know it. You look cool. You look too cool, Martyn. It's the entertainer poser in you. I know. It just looks good whatever I do, right? I have had glasses for 30 years. I'm 63. There you go. You look like you look like you run a betting stand at Newton Abbot. Newton Abbot. Oh, Newton Abbot. Newton Abbot. I used to, yeah, I know all about Newton Abbot. I love Newton Abbot, the race course. Oh, I grew up there. Andrew Grady, the banger racing. Do they still do the banger racing? Pete Waterman. Chris Potter says, I'm like Pete Waterman. Right, Chris Potter, you're about, right, here we go. So here we go, look. Here we go. We're about to do a music show. We're going to end this. Markets are fine. They're taking care of themselves. We're making money. Everything's fine, right? So on the homepage of the YouTube channel, you scroll down here and you see Martyn Lucas sponsor. I sponsor myself. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? I sponsor myself. And then you will see upcoming live stream in the next minute. Look, there it is. This is where I'm going to be in a minute. All right? So here we go. I'm going to give you the link to where I'm going to be in a minute. All right? There's the link. Right there. And we're going to do some Simon and Garfunkel and Rod Stewart. Nothing else. If we get a super chat. And Andrew Grady hasn't done a super chat yet. So it might be a very slow night. All right? It might be like nothing happens. All right? There's the video. So who's there? Let me see if anybody's there already. I'm going to click notify. I'm going to click the like button. There you go. I've done it. Who's the first person to come over? Anyway, I'm going to finish this show right now. So if you want to join me, it's on the Martyn Lucas channel. It's underneath the homepage of this channel. And you can go over there and you can get ready for a bit of a party. All right? We're going to go there. I'm going to grab a beer and tune in. Now, everybody on TikTok, I've got to end it on here. Right, I'm going to end it on here, and I'm going to go to my other channel, which is Martyn Lucas. If you go up to the profile and see who I follow, you will see I follow myself. Just Martyn Lucas, MartynLucas. I follow myself. This is Martyn Lucas Investor, and this is Martyn Lucas. So go to my other channel, all right, which is Martyn Lucas, and in fact, I can come in as Martyn Lucas on TikTok. Oh, that's too difficult. Just go and click on following, all right? And I will be over there in like 2 minutes. Take this phone, and I'll take it over there to the music studio and do some Simon and Garfunkel and some Rod Stewart for Andrew Grady, as long as he gives me a $10 super chat. Otherwise, it's going to be a silent show, all right? Now he's sounding like Cornwall. Bloody hell. They did before COVID. I go the drag racing now. Perranporth Airport. Look, oh, got a beer. Look, Leah's brought me a beer. Look, there it is. Look, my beer is here. Look, let me cheers that. China Bock. That is a nice China Bock, a Texas drink. There you go. Yes, bad eyesight is God's way of making you see your partner in soft focus. Brilliant. Yeah. I said that to my wife the other day. I said, babe, you get better looking every year. You got to be very careful what you say to women, and you got to be very careful what you say to American women. She might not take that as a joke. Right? I thought it was funny. Does anyone think that's funny? If you turn around to your wife and say, hey, babe, you get better looking every year. It's nice, isn't it? It's a nice thing to say. That soft blur. I don't want my wife to get glasses because you'll see all the wrinkles on my head. I like her not seeing me very good. Okay, yes indeed. Thanks, Ale. Right. You ready? Okay. We're gonna do what? Stop saying thank you. It's confusing me. I'm trying to read it all, and all I'm getting is thank yous. It's very, very confusing. Right. So if you want to be in the live music concert in a minute, here is the link. It's on the Martyn Lucas channel. There it is. I'm going to give it you one more time. There you go. All right. Oh, we've already got people in. I can't believe it. We've already got people in. Look, we got Mike. We got Andrew Grady. We got everybody in. There's people waiting. I'm so Look at that. I'm so famous. People are already waiting. I can't believe it. I got more people waiting for me than there is waiting for Elton John right now. I tell you what, I bet if Elton John puts his channel out, it's got nobody waiting. I got 7 people waiting. Right. Okay. Let's do the end credits then. I can't believe people are already waiting. That's ridiculous. Right. Let's do end credits. End credits. We're all here. I know. How can you be in both places at the same time? It gives you a nice tan, does it? All right, then. Let's do the end credits. Let's get out of here. We did Day Trader of the Day. We did extra. Roll all about it, all that. Right, I'll see you over there in 2 minutes. Let's do the credits. I'm getting all confused. Can someone help me? I have 2 devices, yeah. I ain't got enough devices. Roll the credits. Right, okay, here we go. Super chats. Andrew Grady, give me a super chat. Subscriptions, Josie Rios, Marcelo Moreno, Montenegro. Members, Martyn Wynn. Martyn Wynn has become a new member on Twitch. Has he? What's he become a member to? Super chats. Oh, member. Is on YouTube. I was thinking, hello? Is he over there on Twitch already? Bloody, that was quick. Anyway, super chats. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes on the other channel, the Martyn Lucas Music channel. All right, it's going to be I've got a beer and everything. Thanks, everyone. Leah, thanks, Andrew Grady. Make sure that you come across. You've got to pay $10 super chat for the first song. If you don't do it, everyone's going to sit and there's going to be nothing. Nothing. I'll see you back in just a couple of minutes' time. Can you imagine? No what? It'd be the worst show in the history of the world. All right, see you back in 2 minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other.